Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Walmart. So let's dive in. So guys, there are some great deals going on right now at your local Walmart. You see this hose option right here and even some more outside decor, but I don't know if it's because it's after Christmas or what might be going on, but this is the most items I have seen on clearance since I've been doing this. And there is all kinds of stuff from toys to tools to outdoor gear to grill stuff, all kind of things. And so I just want to show you all some of these options. You have this little Blackstone storage tote right here on clearance. So if you want to move some of your grilling stuff, you can. 30 bucks for that item. And then we see a few more just kind of other tool deals, even some ratchet tie downs. These were even picked over at my store. Even have the NutriBullet on sale here, 45 bucks. Have a couple covers for your grill. So if you have the Pit Boss, you'll see some of these down to $27.50. Again, great things to grab here after Christmas. Even some stuff to take care of your yard. Have some gloves here for Hyper Tough, 10 bucks for that. Even some line if you need some of that. Pizza stone scraper, and even some gloves right here for Blackstone and grilling. We even have some Blackstone grease, so you need a little bit of that there. And more kind of outdoor stuff. I also will have a lot of these items listed down below, so if you're interested, you can grab some of these and save you some money as well. But they have a couple different ones right here for your garden hose. Even have the 4-way lock lube. I've actually never heard of this before, but it was down a few bucks. More Blackstone items on sale. Got the pizza kit for grilling some pizza. The 17-inch carry bag, also for Blackstone there. And then here is just another shot at a bunch of their toys. They had Legos and all other options. So these are just some of the clearance deals they had going on. You can see both sides of these. Then we moved to the back and they had a bunch of their tool options. See some of these racks down on sale. And then more just other stuff right here from Hyper Tough racks. So I know a lot of people are trying to make room in their house for all the stuff they got for Christmas. Even have some of their heaters. Have some batteries on sale here for Hart. So if you grab any of the Hart tools, check out some of these batteries. Still a good time to get batteries. Also had some Hart drills down to 50 bucks there, even the impact as well. So a couple different drills on sale, and then also this impact here for $60. So if you need an impact, this is a solid deal right there. Especially Hart. I know a lot of people have been moving to Hart. I've actually seen these out in the wild a lot of times with people working on stuff. Then we have a couple other little tool options here. So we have some of these extractors. If you need some of those, you can grab them. And then a couple other bit options. Multiple deals on those right there. And then again, we see the glass bits. And also another set here. Some of these speed bit types for 10 bucks. So you can grab some of those. And some spade bits here, a few bucks off of those. More Hart options. Again, Hart is doing a good job. I really like their tools. Used a couple of them before. Then we have the Hyper Tough wet dry vac down to 30 bucks. Great deal on that one. Then we have the 2500 PSI pressure washer, also from Hart. You saw the price down a little bit there. This is a solid pressure washer, and it's the gas option, so I think that's definitely going to be a good one for you. Then they had the smokeless fire pit, 69 bucks here from Blackstone. I didn't even know Blackstone made those, but there were a ton of deals in the hunting section as well right here, in the hunting and outdoor stuff. You can see all of these attractants, scents, and all kind of things like that. And I will be honest that these rows were packed when I went to Walmart. So if you are interested in hunting like myself, you definitely want to grab some of these deals. And a lot of the stuff will save until next year, so you can go and check these out. But deer attractants, all kind of stuff. They even had a lot of camo and different things like that on sale as well. You see a lot of these and just different other stuff like that. even some grunt calls, and even again some scent killers. Those are always great. Rack up on those because you always need that. More Pro Hunter scent killers, and a bunch of these. I've actually never tried some of these dead downwind, but looks good. A little laundry balm, help take some of that smell out. Again, a bunch of other options right here and deals on some of these outdoor and hunting items. All these scent killers, and even more tinks and other stuff like this. But you guys can let me know if y'all have grabbed any of these good deals so far at Walmart. You see more just other stuff like that, even some salt licks and more smells and other attractants, all kind of stuff. So a bunch of different stuff, and like I mentioned, there were people everywhere, so trying to get these videos, there were people grabbing stuff off the racks and saving money on a lot of these items. So if you're interested, I'd recommend you checking those out. And like I said, I'll have a bunch of these links down below as well to help you out. If you're interested, you can grab some of those deals there. Even had this portable air fryer down to $108. Again, from Blackstone. A lot of Blackstone things on sale. Had the bow case, $12 there. And even had some of their bows on sale. I have a bear bow. Like it a lot. Works great for me. You can see some of these bear bows are on sale as well. So if you're interested in a bow, definitely go check this one out. Pretty good prices on a bunch of these. And more of their just kind of accessories and stuff like that for hunting. Got the tree stand locks. Had some of their knocks. Even a few of their broadheads were on sale, and a few other of these things, again, for archery season. You can check these out and go ahead and save you a few bucks and get some pretty good deals on these. Had a couple camo bags, whether you're going to use this for hunting or fishing. Had some of these kind of medium size or smaller bags there, and then a little bit larger medium sized bag was also on clearance for $44. So again, good deals on that. Had even some spinning reels on sale right here, $44.50. Another one, $62 here for the baitcaster. And then even some of their stands were on sale. It's always great to grab you some of these at the end of the season. Get to save money and get some solid deals. This is actually the harness I wear when I deer hunt. Works really well. Again, this is one I recommend. I like it. It's great. But you should check that out. Then a couple other things that have been picked over. More deals up top as well. So the running gun, I like that for especially for hunting with kiddos. And then we got some steps, little bow holder. If you need to hold bows or backpacks or any kind of things like that, you can definitely do it. Some ratchet straps from Muddy. And we have some battery extensions, again, for your batteries and stuff like that. And then they even have a portable toilet here. Roll back down to $18. So if you're ever worried about where to go when you're in the outdoors, you can get you one of these. I've never used one, but it looks cool. Probably a great pickup. Great thing to have. And they even have the toilet seat cover right next to it. So pretty easy and convenient on that. Then they had a ton of their water bottles. I know water bottles are really popular right now. They had a ton of these on sale. So if you need to grab you some water bottles, you can definitely do that. All different types, all different ones, everywhere in the store. You can see all different colors, shapes, sizes, whatever you might need. Some of the fake Stanleys as well, or some coffee mugs. And they even had a bunch of stuff to keep the mosquitoes off. So if you need to keep the mosquitoes off, great thing to grab. And then even some of these thermocells, if you've never used one of those, it's a game changer. Highly recommend you check those out. And then I did find this Hart push mower on clearance. So down to $218. Always great to grab one of these as well. Then I also wanted to show you just a couple of their tool deals online, just so you can see some of these in case you couldn't find those in your store. We have the Heart drill right here down to 49 bucks right there. Again, solid deal. I do like this little hex key set. Didn't see that until right now. Good right there. And then also this little precision toolkit. Could save a couple bucks on that one. Again, here we have those Heart batteries. We saw those in store. Then also the impact driver here to 59 bucks. So again, some great deals on those. 3-tool combo, 99 bucks. Solid deal for that one right there. Even save a few bucks on some wrenches right here. And then 4-tool combo kit, 178. Solid deal with that one. Here is the cutoff tool, 39 bucks. Power cutter. I think it's a solid thing if you're gonna be, opening some stuff. That's an easy win for that one. And again, another 60 bucks here. I missed one. Oh, this little rechargeable cutoff grinder. I don't know. 44 bucks. Get to save a few bucks. I don't know if that's gonna be strong enough. Kind of depends on what you need that for. So those are some good things to kind of keep an eye out. And again, even this Works brand right here for 50 bucks. A little electric circular saw. Another deal I have seen are some of these battery powered generator options are going down right here. We can see the all powers option. Also the Jackery right here at 290. I've used one of these recently and I liked it, but you can see a lot of these have dropped in price. So if you're interested in those, you would definitely check those out. And then even a few more generators. I've never used these brands, but you can see down 100 bucks, down 60 bucks. So you can check these out to see if you might be interested in those. I mean, this one right here, you can save $1,100. I don't know how good that was if it was that high, but pretty good deals on a lot of these right here. Even Power Smart 500 watt down to 189, so 294, almost 300 bucks off of that one. Another solid deal. I mean, this one dropped down to 260. So again, you can check out all of these options right here, down 430 bucks. So like, it's just crazy. These are dropping so substantially. Again, another one down $200 there. Another one down 169, down 40, down 200. So if you need a generator, I would definitely check these out, or some of these power options, as they're again dropping in price right now. Kind of in the middle of the storm season. But overall, I think there's some great deals going on at your local Walmart. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, or you can check out another video right here, and I will see you over there.